Good morning, world. In USA, in city municipality, I want to advise the municipality. It means it is the mayor that they must make efforts to make a team in their municipality, city municipality, that will check their jurisdiction, villages. The municipality must always check the business establishment from small scale, medium scale to big business scale, that they have business permit to operate. Plus, they must pay their taxes in proper time. It is the good way to make sure that the good economy of a certain city can be achieved. Plus,